Simple Mobile offers two voicemail options, basic voicemail and visual voicemail. Basic voicemail is the standard carrier-provided service. To set it up, dial 86 from your Simple Mobile phone. You'll be prompted to create a PIN. The default is often 1234 or the last four digits of your phone number. To check messages, call 86, listen to the prompts, and use keypad commands such as 1 to replay or 3 to delete. This method is free but requires manual navigation and lacks visual elements. Visual voicemail displays voicemails in a list format within an app, allowing for easy playback, transcription, and management without dialing. This feature is available on compatible smartphones, such as iPhones with iOS 12 Plus or Android phones with the Simple Mobile app. To set up visual voicemail, enable it within your phone's settings or the Simple Mobile app, linking it to your voicemail box. Visual voicemail offers benefits such as automatic transcription using AI, searchability, and integration with your contacts. Keep in mind that visual voicemail may require a data connection and may not be supported on older phones. For optimal voicemail performance on Simple Mobile, ensure your phone is compatible and maintains a stable network connection. Basic voicemail is universally accessible, while visual voicemail's app-centric features work best on modern smartphones. If you encounter issues, reset your voicemail PIN by contacting Simple Mobile support. For visual voicemail, ensure app permissions are properly configured in your phone settings. A major trend is the growth of AI-powered voicemail transcription, which improves accessibility. According to Nielsen's 2025 report, 65% of Simple Mobile subscribers regularly use visual voicemail. However, consider data privacy implications of AI features. Looking ahead, anticipate advanced AI features like sentiment analysis and automatic voicemail forwarding to email. Regularly update your apps and device firmware to address potential issues.